Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Lexus RX350 remote battery step by step. Start by removing the mechanical key from the fob, then pry the shell open gently with a flathead screwdriver to expose the battery. Remove the old CR2032 and note its orientation before inserting the new battery. Press the shell back together until it clicks. Slide the mechanical key back in, and test all buttons to confirm the remote works properly. When opening the fob, be patient and steady to avoid damage to the plastic housing. Insert the mechanical key into the release notch and pull gently to remove it. Use a small flathead screwdriver at the seam, applying even pressure while twisting slightly to separate the halves. Keep track of any small components and set them aside on a cloth so nothing rolls away during the battery swap process. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and more practical guides. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading anywhere and makes waiting during small repairs much more enjoyable. I've linked it and other useful deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. With the fob open, remove the old battery with gentle leverage and note the plus side orientation. Place the new CR2032 into the cradle, making sure it sits flat and aligned with the contacts. Press each button briefly to confirm signal transmission before snapping the shell back together. Reinsert the mechanical key and give the remote a final test by locking and unlocking the vehicle from a short distance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.